I like them long hair, thick as hell. Haters praying that I change like a wishing well. Once you get a little name, they do what you want. You know it's Heartbreak Gang, upper echelon. You know it's threes up when it's reppin' time. These 1700 don't step on mine. I'm in the game, finna bark till I foul out. All these niggas turn fake, I don't know how. Tell me the difference between you and me. Tell me what these other dudes have to do with me. Jamie drinking, Kush smoking, bathing ape wearing. Susie 6-speed, gas like a new McLaren. Don't compare, I'm a menace in this business, ain't I? Can't lie, big time, and so I had to stay fly ball on the same time, all in the same ground. Heartbreak Gang, that's all I know. Play it coach, making more, banging Dre since 84. Or
throw it back, show me what you bout now. Throw it back, show me what you bout now. Throw it back, show me what you bout now. Throw it back, show me what you bout now.
Throw it back, show me what you bout now. Throw it back, show me what you bout now. Throw it back, show me what you bout now. Throw it back, show me what you bout now.
Throw it, throw it. I got a bottle, open your mouth, I'm a poet. She know I'm getting dollars because I'm a poet. She got a lot of ass and she dying to show it. Let me run it in your hole there. Yeah, true player. They love me so much, nigga had to move.